Can you believe this iconic bag didn't have a name when it first came out? It was actually called the Shoo Shoo. Welcome back to my channel, or shall I say welcome. If you're new here, welcome, come on in. My name is Lady Diana. Here on Passion Heavenly, I share self-development videos in different areas as fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Now, my goal and my mission here on Passion Heavenly is to inspire you beautiful ladies, okay, to feel better, look better, and do better every single day. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so that every time I publish, I share a video just like today, an informative video just like today, sharing a rare piece, okay, just like today, you will be notified. And to my ladies, my sophisticated, elegant ladies, I say a big welcome to you, and I give you a virtual hug like I always do. Thank you so much for always being here with me on my channel. I need a moment to put myself together, okay, because ladies, today's video has no words, okay? All right, ladies, as you have read in the title, today's video is extremely special. I'm sharing with you a rare vintage piece that I feel so blessed and so grateful right now coming across, you know, this bag. This bag is not my first Dior bag, neither is it my first vintage piece. All right, ladies, without further ado, let's get into the bag. I want to share with you, introducing to you my new bag baby, okay, my new addition to my bag babies, to my bag collection. I present to you, okay, this beautiful Carnage vintage Christian Dior Lady Dior bag in medium, okay? So let me open it. It's in the black lambskin leather. This is what the bag looks like. I mean, how gorgeous. How gorgeous is this, ladies? I got it in the original dust bag, which I think I need to wash. Okay, that's the original dust bag that came with the bag. I mean, can we just take a moment and just appreciate, okay, appreciate this beauty right here. I mean, oh, ladies, this bag is from Princess Diana's era. It is, like I said earlier on, it is from 1995 to 1997. This bag was made before the date code era, okay, before we started, you know, before Dior started giving out the cards, okay, before the code era, before, this is what I mean by the code era. That's when this bag was produced. Can you imagine this bag being in this pristine condition as it is? And it is from 1995 to 1997. I mean, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Again, this is the lambskin. This is my first, no, I think, no, the other Dior that I just showed you is also lambskin. So this is my first black lambskin leather bag. If you've watched my Chanel unboxing, the cocoa handle and the sweet flat bag, I did mention those ones were caviar, and I love caviar for Chanel, but when I came across this baby, I didn't even think that it was lambskin. I jumped on it so fast. This bag is just, I still can't believe I own this bag. How from 1995 to 1997. It does come with the strap, but this strap is very, very short. I'm not even going to try to use this strap. If I'm going to use it, I'm going to probably use it for another bag. It does have the CD logo. I'm not sure if you can see. It does have the CD on here. Okay, this strap is thinner than the new ones. Right now the new ones are wider than this one, and the new ones also, the new Lady Dior also, they all come with like a flap on top. Mine comes with just the zip alone. Okay, and my hand, as you can see, can go in and out easily. Okay, now one of my favorite things about this bag, ladies, is the history. I love history about, you know, knowing history about my bags, about my pieces. I love to know, you know, things about the pieces that I'm adding into my collection. And the funny thing is, when I was doing my research, I actually came across the fact that this bag was named, when it first launched in 1994, it was called chouchou, which means a favorite in French. Like when I heard it, I was like, what? Chouchou for this beautiful bag? Yeah, so this bag was named chouchou before it was later named after Princess Diana. And this bag has a lot of history to it. So let's get into a bit of the history. Like I said, this bag was first produced in 1994, and in 1995 the First Lady of France gifted this bag to Lady Diana. And in this exact you know, the medium size in black with the gold hardware. And Princess Diana loved this bag so much that she got it in different variation, in different finishes, in different sizes. Like, she just went all nuts about this bag because she loved it so much. And as we all know, Princess Diana in her time was a fashion icon who loves fashion, was always so stylish everywhere that, you know, she went. And because she carried, you know, this bag and different variations that she later got, this bag, you know, was quickly, you know, loved, and it was asked about, and people wanted, you know, to own this bag as well, just because Princess Diana carried it so fabulously. She styled it so beautifully. And in 1996, Christian Dior officially launched this bag and named it after Princess Diana, which I think is just iconic. Her being the one that, you know, made this bag come to limelight. The bag itself, everything about this bag is just so iconic. It's unbelievable. Okay, this bag is very classy. As you can see, it's very classy, it's iconic, it's beautiful, stunning. I mean, the leather is, even after even it being vintage, it is so buttery soft. I can't even imagine what this bag, you know, feels and look like when it was first bought, because for me to have it in 2023 and I'm still looking at it, there's no scratches, nothing to this bag. Like, this is just a piece that I would definitely want to pass on to either of my daughters. This bag became so iconic after Christian Dior decided to name it after Princess Diana in 1996, and up until today, this bag is one of the most sought after bag. It is one of the most iconic, elegant, sophisticated bags right now. And the retail value of this bag as at today, when I'm filming this video, because I did check, was $7,400. okay, that's without taxes. All right, and for me to have gotten this bag, you know, at a fraction of what it is today, and this is vintage, this is from the era of Princess Diana, definitely this bag is going to be in my collection literally for the rest of my life. This is a bag that is going nowhere. Like I said earlier on, this is a bag that I hope to also gift one of my daughters when the time comes, because this is such an iconic piece to have. Like, it's not just because it's Lady Dior, it's because of the time that this bag was made. Like, can you imagine having a piece that it is pre-code dates era, like before the codes, before Christian Dior started, you know, incorporating codes into their bag, that was when this particular bag was made. Like, I still feel like I'm in a dream right now. Just sharing this bag with you has just been an amazing opportunity for me. Like, I'm super grateful. I'm so happy. And I'm telling you, honestly, ladies, I cannot wait to share how I style this bag, how I wear this bag. I have a party coming up, a milestone birthday coming up, and most definitely this bag is going with me to that party. I'm telling you, the gold plated hardware is so, like, it's so yellow, and I compare it to the ones that is been produced right now, and most brands have even stopped, you know, with the gold plated. They've stopped it. And you know, the charms on this bag, and it was also, during my research, said that Christian Dior himself was a very superstitious man, hence the charms, and he always has charms, you know, with him. And because this bag is so iconic, it also has, you know, the charms in there, and the charms, oh, it's just amazing. Like the hardware on this bag, ladies, I cannot stop looking at this bag. Like, I'm like, how did I get this blessed? Okay, so like I've said a few times in my videos, I do love the top handle bag. That's my preference for my handbags. And the funny thing is, this bag was actually meant to be carried top handle, even though it does have the crossbody. But like I said, I will not be using the crossbody, because literally when I tried it with the crossbody, it was sitting like right here for me, like right here. I'm not even exaggerating. It was like right here, and I'm 5'8", okay, 5'8.5". It was sitting like right here. I'm like, okay, no, this is not gonna work, right? So it's top handle, which I'll be carrying, you know, top handle or in the crook of my arm, like so. Okay, this bag is just exquisite. I mean, the canage detailing of this bag is absolutely amazing. Another thing that I love about this bag that I said earlier on, I don't know if I said it earlier on, was that this bag does have the zipper. Okay, the ones that is being produced right now does not have the zipper. It just has that flap. And I love the red lining inside this bag. You can see the strap in there. The lining inside this bag is red, and it does have a zipper inside the bag. Okay, and it has the Christian Dior stamp right there. Hopefully you can see that. Again, the gold details. And I know some people say that the noise that it makes, you know, they don't like the noise, but I think, you know, the noise that it makes, you know, is actually part of what makes this bag, you know, what it is. And also, you know, gives it even more character and depth to it. Like, I don't mind the noise, it's not too much. I do have a Zac Poyson bag that makes similar noise as well, and that doesn't even have, you know, the charm that this Lady Dior has, and it makes, you know, similar noise. So I'm not mad at it. I absolutely love it. I cannot get over looking at this bag. Like, ever since I got it, I've just been staring at it. Like, I've just been staring at it. The other day, I was kind of upset about something, and I just went upstairs into my closet, and I just took out this bag, and I was just looking at it. And honestly, that made me feel better before going back downstairs. I know that sounds crazy, but another thing I love about this bag, which most, you know, luxury brands don't do anymore, is this bag. Can you believe this bag was made by 7 artisans? Oh my god, I can't even speak. What's going on? By 7 people. Okay, 7 people. This bag was made by 7 people. It was for 8 hours. They spent 8 hours on each bag. I don't think Christian Dior even does that anymore, because now they've replaced human beings with, obviously, machines and stuff like that. I mean, like, this bag, ladies. So I'm just going to share with you what fits into my Lady Dior bag. First off, I'm going to put my glasses, my prescription glasses, the case. This is the Givenchy glasses. Fit in my Coach wristlet, my wallet. Okay, you ladies have seen this Ferragamo wallet many times. Oh, my Prada Beauty pouch. This is Ton 6 key ring holder. My hand sanitizer, okay, and also my cream, my hand cream, and also my AirPods. I actually got that fits into my Lady Dior bag. Okay, I have all these essentials, and it's not that heavy. It's full, but yet you know, it's not poking. The sides are not poking just because of the sides, okay, because the sides are wide. So I do appreciate that. It fits quite a lot of things actually, and yeah, it's such. So this bag is made in Paris. I almost forgot to mention that, and it does come in a variety of colors. And I do love, I always say this all the time, I love when bags comes in different colors. That way, you know, it gives everyone, you know, the opportunity to choose whatever color that, you know, best works for them. I did go obviously with the black just because that was what was available at the time to me. And also, I mean, how iconic is it being in the black color? And in I think 3 or 4 sizes now. It does have a bigger size. This is the medium, like I said, and then it has the small, and then it has the micro, the small, the mini, and then the micro. They just brought out the micro mini size for this bag. And yeah, ladies, I'm so speechless. I don't even know what to say, except that I'm just grateful that, you know, I'm able to add not just a Lady Dior bag into my collection, not just a Christian Dior Lady Dior bag, but also one that was made, literally one that was made around the time that Princess Diana was known for it. It was produced around the time when Princess Diana was wearing it, which again, like I said, around that 1995 to 1997, which was, you know, pretty long time. And yeah, just, you know, I hope you enjoyed today's video, okay? And thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, ladies, you know how we do not do any drama here. Take care, God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, okay, so that when I'm styling this bag, when I'm wearing this bag, you can see how, you know, I wear and how I style this bag on my Instagram, okay? And having said that, thank you again for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. All right, take care, and God bless you. Bye.